Welcome to Advanced Technical Learning channel. Cell range. In cell range you will learn how to select a single cell, how to select multiple cells, how to select a row, how to select a column, how to select entire sheet. Let's see how to select a single cell. You can select a single cell by clicking on the cell, or you can select cell by arrow key. Selecting multiple cell. By holding Ctrl button and by clicking you can select multiple cells. Selecting a row. By clicking on row number you can select a single row, and by holding Ctrl button you can select multiple rows. Selecting a column. By clicking on column letter you can select a column. By pressing and holding Ctrl button you can select multiple columns. Selecting entire sheet. When you see at top left side of the worksheet a triangle sign, when you click on this sign, you can easily select a complete entire sheet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.